Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yelena and today another cute sugar cookies. Well, I think it's cute. It will be tulip shape with a little face on him. Alright, so as usual, I'm working with royal icing. If you're new on my channel, royal icing sugar cookies all the way. So I'm gonna outline the cookie in a stiff consistency royal icing, and then I'm gonna flood it with the same shape, thinner consistency, and I'm using just plain water to dissolve my to dilute my royal icing till the consistency I need. All right, so fill it up, and I'm gonna let it crust over a little bit, just like that. And then I'm gonna go with a little contrast color to outline it and give it a little shape. So I'm just gonna outline my petals like it goes for the tulips, like that. If you happens to have oops like I just had here, don't worry, you can just go right back just like that and connect all your lines. We'll do some detail for the top part like that, and let's give him eyes and a little smile. Light spots for the eyes always makes eyes look a little better. And I'm gonna do right now a green part as well, like that, with stiff consistency royal icing. I used Americolor grass green or leaf green, just like that. And now let it completely dry. So this is next day, and I have this dusting colors. I have magenta and this gorgeous aubergine from Nicholas Lodge collection. So let's see which one I like better. So I'm gonna start with the lighter one, and I use a dedicated brush for that, and just lightly, gently start kind of put shade on the edges and on the petals, kind of give it a little more dimension. All right, and then I'll go with a little darker one, just a little bit, a touch of color, kind of give it a little more shading. All right, so this is our cute tulip face. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye, love you so much.